While I enjoy making YouTube videos, it doesn't quite cut it as my main job, and my main job is actually construction, which means I spend most of my days on active job sites running power tools, lots of dust, lots of wind, and lots of noise. Which is why today I'm doing an unboxing of the DeWALT Pro-X2 Jobsite wireless earbuds. Alright, let's open these things up here. Greeted by some very nice packaging, actually. Pull this little tab. There's the earbuds case right there. We also get a box of ear fins and a box of ear cushions as well. Inside this little thing, we get our instruction manual, warranty card, and a sticker, actually. Along with all that stuff, we also get a USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable. And in here, it looks like a little DeWALT carrying bag for everything. So there's all your different ear cups right there, lots of different sizes. Looks like they have both silicone cushions and memory foam ones as well. Now, from what I believe, the rubber ones here are a little bit more comfortable and they allow a little bit more noise in. And then the foam ones here, over time, will form to your ear and will also block out a little bit more sound, though they will probably collect a little bit more dust and earwax and things like that just from being foam. But in the rubber side, looks like we get small, medium, large. I'm assuming the mediums are the ones that are on the earbuds now. And then for the foam ones, you just get small and medium sizes. Here are the ear fins. Now what these do, basically, as you can see there, they go kind of on the side of the earbud, and they just allow it to kind of fit in your ear better, hook onto your ear just a little bit for less of a chance of them falling out, which on a job site is kind of important. So here's the actual earbuds themselves. Come in this nice case here, very beefy. It's got a little keychain kind of hook on the end of it here. You have 3 battery life indicator LED lights right there. Looks like underneath this little rubber tab here is the USB Type-C charging port to charge the case. And these actually come out in like a drawer kind of style. It's actually got a nice, very premium feeling click to it. If you shake it, it doesn't feel like it's going to open up. And so that's very nice. So here are the earbuds themselves. As you can see, actually pretty bulky, which honestly is kind of a nice design. If you're wearing gloves, they're easy to grab onto. You have nice DeWALT branding on the side there. Now, what's really nice about these ones is they actually have a volume wheel, which is easy to access, easy to turn up and down the volume, which is a feature I absolutely love. If you remember the Milwaukee earbuds, which is kind of the competition of these that I reviewed a long while ago, I'll leave a link to that video down in the description below if you'd like to compare these two earbuds. They don't have any volume control whatsoever, which is something that really kind of annoyed me from day-to-day use. Now, they also have a button on the side here which you can press to play and pause music. You can double tap it to skip songs, and you can also hold it to turn on noise cancellation or turn off noise cancellation. All right, I'm actually going to try these on here. Like I said, the build quality is actually very, very rugged, which is super good. Hopefully these are nice and durable. They're also marked on the bottom there for left and right. So these are the medium ear cups or ear pieces, I don't know, on them, and they fit in my ears quite nicely. They are pretty bulky and will stick out of your ears quite a bit. But they have a nice seal, and it actually mutes my voice quite a bit. Now, these earbuds actually have some solid battery life. We're looking at 40 hours of runtime. That's including the case as well, which is really good. Now, like I said, these also do have active noise canceling, transparency mode, or you can just turn everything completely off. No active noise canceling or transparency mode, which is something I really like the feature. To have all 3 of those options if you want to. So right now it's in transparency mode, and I can actually very clearly hear my voice. I can very clearly, hear the quietness of me tapping on my desk. It's actually really solid. I think it's a good volume, and I think I'll definitely be able to hear, things around me. That was another thing I didn't like about the Milwaukee earbuds is the transparency mode didn't seem loud enough, and so I could hardly hear people talking around me. But these ones are nice and clear. Now, with noise cancellation on, it doesn't do a super great job of isolating noises. I think the foam ear tips here would actually do a lot better of a job of insulating outside noise. but it does a decent job, and it'll get the job done. And with noise cancellation off, I can hear a little bit of a difference with noise cancellation and no noise cancellation, but honestly, it's not that much of a difference, which is just further proof that the noise cancellation could probably be a little bit better, although it will block out the majority of loud noises like skill saws, nailers, machinery, things like that. Now, as far as the fit and comfort of these earbuds, they actually feel very nice. Like I said, I have the medium size earpieces in here, and honestly, they fit my ears perfectly. If I shake my head like this, it doesn't feel like they're going to fall out. They're actually very, very snugly in my ears, but not too much to where it's uncomfortable. I think they're just a well-balanced, very comfortable set of earbuds. And personally, they fit in my ears very well to where I don't have to worry about them falling out, which is super great. So I listen to a good bit of music with these earbuds now. I listen to some rock, some country, some metal, some rap. And honestly, for a set of job site earbuds, these are actually really solid as far as the sound quality goes. They don't have the most punchy bass of, earbuds I've heard in the past. But they definitely have plenty for, work environments. They definitely boost the highs and mids probably a little bit more, which is going to be nice because in a loud environment, you're going to be able to hear your music a little bit more clearly. But they still have enough of the low-end punch that it can make your music enjoyable, especially when you crank the volume up. And speaking of the volume, these get plenty loud enough, which is fantastic. Again, one of my other gripes with the Milwaukee earbuds were that they couldn't get loud enough, and the sound quality was good, but definitely not as good as these. A couple things I did forget to mention about these is that the case is water resistant only when closed. There's a little rubber gasket here that when you close it, it seals it up. And then the earbuds themselves are IP54 water resistant for both water and sweat, which is going to help, especially with them sitting in your ears, that they're water resistant. So that's fantastic there. These things also come with a lifetime warranty, as you can see on the side of the box right there, which is fantastic. So if you ever have any issues with these earbuds, you can send them into DeWALT, and they should give you a new pair or fix them with that limited lifetime warranty. Now, the majority of this video was actually filmed using the microphones on these earbuds, so you guys can actually hear what the sound quality is like for yourselves. I personally think the microphone quality is fantastic, and it does also a good job, from what I've heard, blocking out wind noise. Now, I haven't been able to try that in person yet. So, these are the DeWALT Pro-X2 ANC True Wireless Earbuds, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you are also a construction worker or, work any sort of blue-collar, heavy-duty job, then I think these could be a solid choice for you if you're looking for some ear protection or just something to listen to music to while you're at work. It's definitely a fantastic option. I'll leave the link to them down in the description below if you guys want to check them out for yourselves. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.